So, if you guys remember my last video, I made a reaction video to Man vs. Ponies parts 1 and 2. For this video, we're going to be looking at parts 3, 4, and 5, like I said in my last video. But yeah, hey guys, it's your boy MarAmyYosh fan 24 here. And this is going to be another reaction video for y'all. Alright then, without further ado, let's get this show on the road. Whoa! If only. He's just doing it repeatedly. Yeah, inventors. Oh, that's why you shouldn't do that. A vacuum cleaner?
What's the matter?
I get it.
If you're scared, you can just admit it.
Maybe.
Even now, Jack's scared. And yep. Oh. Oh, Uno. I love Uno. Oh, with Celestia.
I'm about to end this man's whole career.
Oh, boy. Oh. Oh.
Uno.
Oh. Whoa! That's why you don't play Uno with Celestia. Speaking of Uno, it's an Uno tower. Ah, Pinky just you gotta hate it when that happens. What is that?
Why didn't you tell me how amazing this is?
Okay, people in the comment section, if you know what that is, tell me, cause I have no idea. What's he doing? Oh, it's a drone. What's he gonna do with the drone? And don't write the notifications, they're not important.
Oh, something floaty!
What is that thing?
Whatever it is. Gosh, that doesn't look anything like a duck!
Oh, he's turning tables.
That's not fair.
Oh, throw her in the mud? Yep. Like how you can do the Cowboys. Oh, busted.
Ooh, wait.
Okay, well, part 3 was pretty good. Now it's time to move on to part 4.
Gary's been snail mapped.
You can join the Ultimate Rescue Team.
We've gotta go help them!
Alright, starting with Rarity. Oh, Crocs.
No, not that! Anything but that!
Let me guess, he's gonna choose it anyways. Called it. Oh! I mean, honestly, I wouldn't even do that. That's just Rarity. Like, apples, bananas, mangoes. Huh. Do not touch. And knowing this, someone is gonna touch it. Like that one. Yeah, it's too predictable. Oh, Boop Rarity. Yeah.
But I belong here.
Oh.
Music's beautiful, but
You know, guys, I've never seen that before, so I do not know. Oh. Whoa. Okay. That I did not expect. Well, look at the bright side, folks. At least the chair is okay. Everything else, not really. Oh, that's cute. Are you gonna show it to them?
You know,
Yep.
it's going okay.
Satisfactory, I'd say.
Oh, that.
It
Those are
could be
pure
better.
sarcasm.
It's not very good.
And then again, the truthful parts.
It's a disaster!
Oh, thanks, Pinky. And he's mad about it because he worked very hard on it. Yeah, you gotta hate it when you show your masterpiece to your friends and then they hate it. Wait, is that the same picture? Yeah, it looks like it. Oh, that's very cute. Huh. Alright. Part 4 is done, and now it's time to move on to the final part, which is part
My
5.
sub has steak.
my sub has bacon.
Now buy one sub, get 150% off in the app.
Oh, who loves ads? Wait, see, have some coffee? Wait, is he gonna Whoa! What is even in that? I know for a fact there's not candy in there. I just have a feeling. Oh, wait, what are they trying to aim for?
All right. You got another throw there, pony girl.
Yeah.
Right up the
I still have the
window.
closest throw, apple snack. Just try and beat it.
Oh!
How?
That's what they're aiming for. Apples.
Wow, great idea. I'm starving too.
What?
This apple is delicious.
Wow. Wait, what did she... Again. Oh, there she is. Oh, he's mad about it. Do not touch. Oh, one of these things again. Yeah, he's gonna do it anyways. Ugh.
Oh boy.
What? Oh, I get it. Okay, man. Did not expect that. Oh, but anyways, that's it. That's Man vs. Ponies, parts 1 through 5. But anyways, that's all for this reaction video I have for y'all. So anyways, if you like this video, please like and subscribe this video and share this with your friends and family. But yeah, with all that out of the way, your boy is done.